I run when I am getting late. We run together to stay healthy. You run like a pro. They run in the race. He runs to catch the bus. She runs in the morning. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. We sit near the window. You sit here, please. They sit in the garden. He sits quietly. She sits with her book. I stand at the door. We stand in line. You stand tall. They stand outside. He stands near the car. She stands by the table. I jump over the box. We jump together. You jump so high. They jump in the game. He jumps with joy. She jumps on the bed. I fall sometimes. We fall on the grass. You will fall down. They fall in the waters. He falls from the bike. She falls asleep. I stop here. We stop talking. You stop now. They stop the car. He stops at the light. She stops walking. I walk to school every morning. We walk in the park together. You walk very fast. They walk to the market. He walks to work. She walks with her dog. We open door. We open the box. You open your book. They open the shop. He opens the window. She opens her bag. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. We close the gate. We close the gate. You close the book. They close the shop. He closes the door. She closes the laptop. I eat rice. We eat together. You eat fast. They eat lunch. He eats fruits. She eats bread. I drink water. We drink juice. You drink tea. They drink coffee. He drinks milk. She drinks soda. I sleep early. We sleep at night. You sleep well. They sleep on the floor. He sleeps a lot. She sleeps quietly. I wake up at 6. We wake early. You wake now. They wake up the baby. He wakes up with the sun. She walks slowly. I read the book. We read stories. You read fast. They read together. He reads the news. She reads every day. I write my name. We write the letters. You write well. They write poems. He writes on his notebook. She writes a message. I look at the sky. We look for the keys. You look tired. They look happy. He looks at the photo. She looks outside. I watch TV. We watch a movie. You watch the game. They watch the birds. He watches football. She watches cartoons. I make tea. We make a cake. You make noise. They make plans. He makes a call. She makes a dress. I get up early. We get ready. You get the book. They get tired. He gets a gift. She gets the keys. I give you a gift. We give food. You give help. They give money. He gives a hug. She gives a smile. I take a photo. We take the bus. You take your time. They take a break. He takes the book. She takes her bag. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to see more videos,